Well, what do you do, if you don't mind my asking?
I'm a secretary in an office.
Oh, I see. Well, what kind of an office do you work in, Miss, Alice? Gesundheit.
Oh, thank you.
What kind of an office do you work in?
Just an office.
Oh. I guess you think I'm pretty nosy.
Yes, you are.
I guess so. I'm sorry.
Well, it doesn't really matter.
Gesundheit. You're not catching cold, are you?
No, it's the sun. It always does this to me. I always sneeze exactly twice, and then I'm all through. There you are.
Oh, hadn't you better keep it?
No, I'm all finished. Thank you very much. No, that's out of the question. I can't. I've got to get home.
Oh, you mean you're in a hurry?
Yes, I'm
Gesundheit.
Thank you.
Gesundheit. Enough. You catching cold? You must have been sitting in a draft.
Oh, I must have.
You better get in bed. Doesn't it give you a wonderful sense of security? Now then. Everything's got to be scheduled. I'm counting on at least 4, maybe even 5. 3 boys and 2 girls, huh?
All at once?
Oh, no, one at a time.
Every time the name of Farrington is mentioned, it'll be a belly laugh. Well, what's wrong with that? The way we played it tonight, it was more fun for everybody, even the audience. I'm not running a burlicue. Gesundheit. Shut up!
Can I help it if I caught cold?
You could have picked a more opportune time.
Then you shouldn't have turned them fans on me when I was all wet.
Wet or dry, you're a rotten actress.
Oh, must I go through this? Oh,
You've earned every bit of it.
I think I'd rather...
I see what you mean. Where have you two been? Hello, how have you been?
Now, don't get excited.
Don't get excited. He abducts my bride, and then I find you in... Where'd he take you?
Long Island, courting?
Now, wait a minute. I want facts.
Oh, be your age, George.
I'm being my age. That's what's bothering me, and I resent...
You've no reason to...
See what she means?
I know she means you're not welcome here.
Look out, you'll give yourself a liquid hot
Oh,
foot.
will you two stop behaving like children? There, you see, I'm catching a cold.
Oh, darling. Dear. Here. There you are, dear. Now, sneak under. Get the idea? Why, you've lost weight.
I'll thank you to keep your hands off her. I'd like to know what's been going on behind my back.
Oh, nothing. Now, you two get out of here. I want to... Oh, I want to sleep.
I don't leave this room unless he does.
That's funny. I was thinking the same thing.
Oh, get out, both of you.
Bless you. Say, you got a cold.
Yes, and I know just where I caught it.
I'll get a doctor.
Oh, stop fussing, John. I'm sorry.
Sounds healthy enough.
Show him your tongue.
I will not.
Good normal reaction.
Thank you, Doctor.
See?
Excuse me.
Take a hot toddy before going to bed tonight.
Just as you say, Doctor. Nora, I want you to meet an old friend of mine. What's your name?
Anthony Travis.
Anthony Travis. Nora, may I present Captain Travis, Miss Nora Hunter. How do you do, Captain Travis? He's been dying to meet you. He's heard you're so much fun.
Glad to know you, Miss Hunter.
Sylvia, you've caught cold. No, I haven't. Come on. You'd better get a sweater. Do I need one?
Quite a wing.
And you've caught cold, too. That'll teach you. Next time, don't go around breaking dates.
I'm terribly sorry about that. I want to apologize. I give you my word I didn't.
Oh, I know. She swept you off your feet, straight-armed 2 army men, took out a third, and carried you off.
Hey, that's getting worse.
Oh, we'd both better have a drink. Medicinally.
Oh, to you.
All right, to me. Those are very mild. Oh, excuse me.
Better have another.
This one's for you. You're a very nice...
Off because Sylvia felt a cold coming on.
A cold?
For a nickel, I'd go in there and put that fire out. Right in his face. What was that?
She sneezed.
She sneezed.
All right, she sneezed.